So today's video is a little bit of coffee table art where I have taped down some craft paper to my coffee table for the kids to draw on, and I decided to take advantage of the fresh craft paper to draw on. This is done with Mr. Sketch markers and my watercolor, my watercolor markers. Please enjoy, like, subscribe, comment below, and share your work with us. All of my links and everything are in the description. And much love to you. Enjoy the video and thank you for watching.